Ready to make some dinner. Nothing special. Some fried potatoes, steak, put some olive oil on there. Dance it around a little bit. Give it a dance. Like that. Of course, you gotta have some garlic. You know, people like just put salt and pepper on their steak. I like garlic on everything. Cracked black. Well, something like that. And once again, the theme of this trip so far is the fact that how versatile freaking Old Bay is. So we're gonna Old Bay that up. I'm gonna let those just sit there for a bit. We're just gonna have some steak, potatoes, and we'll chop up a salad. The cooking station's warmed up right now. Appetizer, chips. Okay, olive oil is nice and hot. Got a little smoke point going there, and we're gonna get these potatoes going. When you're frying anything, you want to have at least that sound. Thing of beauty. Now, I don't know how you like your potatoes, but if you want smell-o-vision, you garlic them up real good. Salt. Cracked black. Oh, if you can smell this, it smells amazing. Cut them now, pretty average. Like that then.
The other one that we have
there
is actually better.
Clean it out and get the good stuff on there. Now, you don't want to touch that. You want to let that go. You want to let those potatoes develop a nice crust. Yeah, a crust. You know, you don't need to fork them around, and the cut job is fairly average. So, you just want to let it do its thing. Steaks, we're going to do on our little grill. And then we're going to do a bag salad because we're just tent camping here. And it's going to be a great camp meal. We'll show you the end. Wait till we get that steak going, you'll love it.
All right, so we're making basically bagged salad. So we're cutting up some tomato. Not my homegrown tomatoes, unfortunately. Should have brought some, but didn't plan ahead, basically.
So, we're camping here, and the thing about, you know, you gotta kind of gussy things up a bit, so you just take your bag here, those beautiful red tomatoes, in you go. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. Tell me that is delicious. And we got one of these fancy foo-foo, got all the cheeses. I don't have to tell you about Lord cheeses, because we all know. If you're a dude, you don't carry a pocket knife, don't talk to me. In with the cheese. Look at that cheese, it's amazing. Carbs? You like carbs? Well,
By the way, me putting the salad together inside the bag was my invention.
carb. Just like that. Oh, look at that. Croutons. Hey, Big Tom stole the croutons, man. And this comes with hefty, real cracked black pepper. Throw that in there. Now, oh, you heard it. Just like that. And you know, you put a fresh tomato in there that you bought at the Wally World just to gussy it up a bit. You put all of that Caesar dressing, because wasting salad dressing, that's some kind of crime. But then you take some of this beautiful creamy sriracha and just give her a little, because they never give you enough dressing anyway. So there you go. And then just give her a toss. Toss it all around nice.
More.
Let it get going. Let it really work in there. Let that salad work for you. You know, because when you're making bag salad or candy strip, you want that salad to work. How you looking, baby? I'd show you, but the lettuce looks pretty average. But let me tell you, if you can see it there, that salad is ready to go. Just come back around over here real quick, potatoes. See it. See the potatoes are working. And if you don't like crispy, crunchy potatoes, why are you eating? This isn't Thanksgiving. This isn't Sunday dinner. You don't eat mashed potatoes. You eat freaking fried, yummy potatoes. Look at that. That would come along great. We'll come back with the finished product here shortly. It's going to be amazing. See, the potatoes are working. I mean, if you're going to cook fried potatoes, you know, it takes a little bit of time. You don't want them to burn. There's not a burn doing this. You want them to be golden brown, delicious. For all you people that are in the food world, you know what I'm talking about. But everybody else that's in the real world who eats food, that's how you want your food to look when you're going to eat it. So, it's delicious. Now, turn that down, and now, we're just going to go right over here. You're going to cook a thin steak. Yeah, it's a little tiny ribeye. It's all right. You can still treat it right. Here's what you do. Take this guy out here. You hear that? For shizzle. And you give it a nice sizzle. It's got that olive oil, and garlic, and salt and pepper. Eat it. People. Don't mess with the steak. You don't mess with it. That steak's gonna cook real fast. It's one flip deal. So let it cook. Don't mess with it. The steak will be delicious. All right, steak's been on for about 2 minutes. It's thin ribeye. Let's give her a flip and see how she looks. Well, look at her. You know what? It doesn't have to be all crisscross applesauce. I'm just gonna eat a good steak when you're camping. That looks pretty amazing. You're not trying to impress anybody. It's just you and your family. So eat your steak the way you want it. That's gonna be delicious. How do you want your potatoes to sound? See, look at that. Golden brown, crispy, delicious, hot ass. Look at that. You know you want that. Just spicy potatoes. Oh. Well, when you're camping, think safety, okay? So, first thing you do, you know those steaks are done. Turn your gas off. It's really that easy. It's dry out. It's summertime. I mean, be responsible. Don't be a Muppet when you're camping. I mean, there's only Muppet time when it's Muppet time. Cooking is not Muppet time, so. All right, look at that. Those look pretty good. We're gonna put them right back on that plate and let them rest. They're done as. Fire's off. Fire's off. So we're gonna let it rest, and we're gonna plate and have a delicious camp meal. You betcha. Finished up dinner. A delicious camp meal. If you're camping, take time to cook for your family. You're out enjoying your free time, which you don't have much of. So just take a little time, do it right. So we've got our sriracha salad with beautiful crispy potatoes. You know what? The steak, is it done? Yeah, it's probably done. But you just do like that. And it's gonna be delicious. And just to make the potatoes a little more amazing, just give it a little shot of this. You guys like creamy sriracha? This stuff is a game changer. All 5 of you gonna watch this, go out and get it. So there you have it. Wander well, be kind again. Thank you. As I look at the stars and bars up on the hill over there, reminds me of rich, deep, dark chocolate dessert. So when you're camping, you gotta have dessert. And we have
Sweet and
Nature
salty.
Valley salty, sweet, dark chocolate, peanut and almond granola bars. I mean, if you're not making s'mores, because we're not, because fires are banned, because it's hot as, and well, we don't want to burn anything down, so you take what you get. And what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is this. Let's give her a go. Let's see how it feels. My goodness. Don't knock it till you try it. These granola bars are delicious. I'm sure there's probably some kind of nutritional value, but hey, what you're eating, who knows anymore? Wander.